Alright, let's get started. This is my first solo flight since I got my private pilot license. Doesn't feel any different, feels the same. I just feel more confident. Skyhaven traffic says no 19er 469er, taking off runway 19er, staying in the pattern, Skyhaven. Rotate. Alright, before landing checklist, we got mixture of full carb heat and flaps as required. Seatbelts are secure. Here we go, beam the numbers. We're going to take out power, about 1500, carb heat in, first degree of flaps. Alright, glide slope looks good. Alright, power.